Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Vasi here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Instagram Reels or videos on your iPhone without using any third-party app or software. So let's begin the video. So if you don't know, Instagram just released a new feature in which they are allowing you to download Instagram Reels directly using the Instagram app. So you do not require any third-party app to do so. For this, just make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram downloaded and installed on your iPhone. And the second thing is that not all Instagram videos are downloadable. Only those videos are downloadable on which the content creators have provided permission, but majority of the reels are downloadable. Anyways, I'm going to open Instagram and I'm going to open any reel which I want to download. So for this, you're going to click on the share button, and on the bottom you're going to have this download icon. If the download icon is showing, it means you can download the reel. If it is not showing, then it means the content creator has not provided the permission to download the reel. Anyways, in order to download it, just click on the download button and you're going to have this little downloading bar showing at the bottom, and if it's asked for permission, just allow it. Finish downloading. I'm going to go back and open my photos app, and here on the bottom you can see the video has been downloaded. If I open and play it, you can see the video has been downloaded. So it's going to have a watermark of Instagram with the content creator's name, just like you have when you're downloading TikTok videos. So yeah guys, in this way you can download Instagram Reels or videos on your iPhone without any third-party software. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.